cushion comes in 3 pieces. There's the top cushion, the bottom cushion, and the small middle cushion. To assemble this, we'll start by placing the top cushion onto the bottom cushion, and we'll put the legs of the top cushion into these hoops to keep it all secure. Next, we'll put this buckle through the top of the back of the middle cushion and pull the middle cushion on. And I'll turn this around. Then we'll place this buckle through the handle, and we'll turn everything over. So then we have the 2 ends of the buckles sticking up. And so we'll just simply clip them together. And at this point, I like to just pull the end of this just to tighten it. And then we'll just put the end of this strap through here and pull it through just to keep it all a little bit more secure. Now we'll turn it over, straighten everything out, and there's your Moonleap cushion ready to sit on.
Okay. So before I sit on the cushion, I generally like to just give it a little shape. Sometimes you can push the middle down like this, and that just helps provide a slope at the back here, just to help rotate your pelvis forward. If you've already used the cushion a fair bit, sometimes the spelt will travel into the legs, and these will be really firm, where this will be slightly softer. So what you can do just before you sit on it is just to give it a little shake, and that will move the spelt further back into the cushion where it should be. Okay, so now I sit on the cushion with my perineum directly over the middle cushion, and the way I like to use these wedges personally is just to place one underneath that leg like that. But if your knees don't come down to the ground like mine do here, and you're sitting in a more open cross-legged posture, you can kind of just use the wedges like this just to help support those legs and to stop you from sliding forward. We do have more videos about how to use this cushion if you're not very flexible and you require more height, just to help keep your pelvis turned forward. This little hand pillow, I like to place it on my left leg, and that way it just helps to support this wrist and stops my hands from sliding forward and pulling my shoulders forward. So that's how I use this combo setup.